friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be cleaning out and organizing my friend's closet. I am super excited about this video because this is my comfort zone. This is what I like to do, and I was so happy to help her do it. So as you can see, her closet is pretty small. It is packed with her stuff. It is not unorganized, but it has too many things that she did not really need. So what we did, I'll show you the process, and we decluttered everything and put everything back, and at the end she was so happy with the results. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, this is a day one. We split this into 2 days just because we did not have time to do everything in one day. She has a family, I have a family, and other things to do, other obligations. So we decided to do it a few hours one day and few hours another day. The first thing, of course, that I did was take everything out of the closet. Now, since we did 2 days, we separated the closet. Half of the closet we did the first day and half of the closet another day. So as you can see, we're putting everything, all the clothes on a couch, and then all the shoes and accessories on the floor, and then start going through it. I don't know if many of you know, I used to do this. I used to have clients that I did organizing for. So the way I do things is I go ahead and ask them what they would like to keep and what they would like to get rid of, donate, or throw away. And then I go from there and step into my organizing zone and go ahead and put everything back the way I think it will be the best, but I ask them, would that be functional for them? So over here, I ask her what clothes she would like to keep, what she would like to consider still, and what she would like to donate and throw away. Of course, before putting all the clothes back and all the stuff back in the closet, I clean out the shelves and vacuum the closet. And now it's time to put the clothes back in the closet. I am putting the things that she's not going to wear now or for the next couple of months, depending on the season and depending on her mood. I'm putting those things back in a closet where it's not easily available, and the things that she is considering wearing now, I am putting up front. She decided she would like to have her shoes up on a top shelf. She is way taller than me, so for her that shelf is easily reachable. So all the boots that she's going to be wearing now in this season, we're putting on top. And on the other side of the closet, I am putting little ankle boots and sandals and shoes that she's wearing often. Over here, I am just sorting some shoes, accessories, and miscellaneous things, and also some winter accessories. I like to use baskets, and most of the times I like to use any kind of things that we already have at home, so we don't have to purchase anything new. And if the client wants to purchase something new, that is perfectly fine with me, of course. So after the first day, these are the things she's putting on her Poshmark closet, and these are the things she is throwing away. There's one more bag that I did not film, unfortunately. That was for donation, and it was a huge trash bag, literally full. Okay, the second day I am going through these plastic containers, trying to find the best way to utilize them. This is the way that I like to fold my leggings and put them in a drawer. That's the best way to be able to see all the leggings you have and to be able to keep them in place. This is the way I've been doing it for such a long time. Apparently, that is the way Marie Kondo does it. I did not know that before, but I'm glad to know that I did something right. And now it's time to focus on the other side of the closet. Again, I'm taking off all the clothes off the racks and putting them again on the bed where we are gonna sort it. Again, you can see me over here showing her usually 2 at a time pieces of clothing, and she can decide what she wants to keep and what she wants to donate or whatever she wants to do with it. When we're done with decisions, what I like to do before putting clothes back in a closet is to separate them by categories. And that way it's going to be way easier to put them back in a closet and find the right spot for them. Again, putting things back in the closet, I am keeping in mind functionality, I'm keeping in mind her preferences, and that way it's going to be the best for her to find things and keep the closet neat. There is one tip that I can share with you. If you would like to invest in your closet and you don't have a lot of space, to save on the space on the racks, definitely purchase those velvet type hangers. They save on the space so much. Plus, they look beautiful in a closet. But as you can see, whatever you have will work perfectly fine if you don't want to invest, because I know they can be pretty pricey. Over here I am separating the scarves. She has 2 hangers. One I used for delicate scarves and the other hanger I used for the scarves that she used on an everyday basis. And the last thing to do was to tackle and fold a few last drawers where she keeps her sport, her tennis clothes. So similarly to folding leggings, I am folding the t-shirts and other things that were in the drawers. And here is how her drawers looks like. These are the leggings that you saw. Over here are her bathing suit and her cover-ups, easily reachable, and they look so beautiful. And now the reveal of her closet. I am so happy the way it turned out. She is so excited. I love how everything has its own place. I love how there is plenty of space to grow. Not every inch of the closet is packed, and literally you can come in and breathe and you can find everything that you need in this closet. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Hope you got huge motivation to go ahead and clean out and declutter your closet. And if you did, as always, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Maybe they can use the motivation. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, if you're new, please consider subscribing. I have a bunch of new awesome videos coming up. I will share my friend's Poshmark closet in the description box in case you're interested looking at her clothes. I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!